The 5 Big Lies of Vaccinology and Why the Narrative is Cracking. Hello, this is Dr. K. Paul Stoller, and for those paying attention to the recent changes in the childhood vaccine schedule, the updates may feel long overdue. When you understand what's at stake, the urgency becomes clear. Concerns about vaccine safety, informed consent, and institutional accountability are no longer fringe. They are rational, they are evidence-based, and they are growing. In The 5 Big Lies of Vaccinology, published by the Brownstone Institute, IMA Senior Fellow Clayton Baker lays out a systematic critique of modern vaccinology. This 5-part series examines the foundational claims that have sustained the vaccine industry for decades and shows how each one collapses under scrutiny, not through ideology, through evidence. 2 recent events brought this debate back into public view. First, on November 19, 2025, the New England Journal of Medicine published a paper titled Efficacy, Immunogenicity, and Safety of Modified mRNA Influenza Vaccine. This paper reviewed Pfizer's Phase 3 trials of an experimental mRNA-based influenza product. Second, on December 5, 2025, the CDC's Advisory Committee on Immunization Practices voted 8-3 to end the recommendation that all American newborns receive the hepatitis B vaccine at birth. To casual observers, these may seem minor. They are not. The NEJM article, based on a self-conducted study of Pfizer's own product, was rapidly dissected by independent analysts. What they found was disturbing. Patterns of selective outcome reporting, omission of unfavorable data, deceptive trial design, and misrepresentation of safety signals. This was not a minor methodological dispute. It was an object lesson in systemic scientific corruption within vaccine research, development, and marketing. When fully examined, the study also undermined the claim that mRNA gene therapies are a viable substitute for traditional vaccines. The ACIP decision, modest by any reasonable standard, triggered an immediate alarmist response. Industry voices warned of impending disease and death among American children. Yet, these claims were unsupported by real-world data. Notably, many developed nations do not administer hepatitis B vaccine at birth, have better pediatric health outcomes, and no surplus pediatric hepatitis B deaths. The panic response revealed something critical. The pediatric vaccine schedule cannot tolerate even minimal scrutiny. According to Dr. Baker, modern vaccinology rests on a fragile web of false assumptions. Here are the 5 big lies. Big lie number 1, equating antibody production with immunity to disease. Big lie. 2, using fake placebos in clinical trials. Big lie. Number 3, insisting that my immunity depends on your vaccination. Big lie. 4, declaring multiple simultaneous injections to be safe without adequate testing. Big lie. Number 5, declaring vaccines safe and effective as a class without qualification, and 2 honorable mentions. Calling mRNA gene therapies vaccines, allowing criminally liable corporations to conduct and control their own clinical trials. These claims are not debated because they cannot be. Public vaccine advocates such as Peter Hotez and Paul Offit declined invitations to attend the ACIP meeting. They routinely refuse structured debate, not because the questions are illegitimate, but because the answers are dangerous. This reckoning is not unprecedented. There was a time when prefrontal lobotomy was considered cutting-edge medicine, and its creator won a Nobel Prize. There was a time when physicians assured the public that cigarette smoking was safe. There was a time, very recently, when mainstream medicine promoted opioids like OxyContin as non-addictive. Hundreds of thousands died. Medical consensus has been catastrophically wrong before. The bloom is off the rose for the vaccine industry. Its authority no longer rests on trust, but on repetition, fear, and suppression. The accounting is overdue. May we open our minds, use our heads, and face this subject with courage rather than dogma, because science that cannot be questioned is not science at all.